Thank you, Mr. Mahanta. Thank you, Mr. Nagarajan. And obviously, very, very pleased that we had a chance to open up the IHAB uh, with uh, Mrs. Anju Sharma, one of the better known IAS officers of this country. And now that she has also reminded me that the corporates need to go to the monk, and we need to balance our spiritual side. So, madam, I can promise you that that message is not lost on me, and I will definitely be, looking at some of the spiritual guidance that you have tried to share through your book. Uh, Mrs. Anju Sharma has always been known for her pioneering work, and it's no surprise that uh, the Gujarat government, where she is the principal secretary, would look at student entrepreneurship. And clearly, Section 8 company uh, assigning funds upfront towards this innovation and entrepreneurship uh, will probably change the landscape of uh, maybe the Silicon Valley of India. uh, lands the footsteps may change, and I think some of you have eloquently talked about the Gujaratis and the entrepreneurship. I think I want to take it a little further as we go along. I think innovation is the hallmark. I was actually talking to one of my good friends, son-in-law, Alok Sanghi, who runs a cement factory in Bhuj. And I do visit Gujarat about twice a year, more because we have sizable operations in Gandhinagar, and I also have family there. So I was meeting this young man, Alok Sanghi, and I asked him why did he set up his cement plant in Bhuj, because uh, it's not exactly a consumption area. And like in India, as you know, everybody is an uncle. So I am the uncle. And he said, Uncle, my main market is actually Kerala. And I use that position or the point because the sea transport is much cheaper, and I'm able to transport all the cement that I produce to Kerala. So my point is very, very simple, that innovation by itself is can be an exercise, but if that exercise has got an end objective, if that has a business impact, then the chances to succeed are very, very high. And we all have realized that, yes, when you go to Jamnagar, you see this beautiful refinery, and then you realize is that refinery is not because the crude is born there. It is because, again, the seaport was taken as an advantage, and the whole concept was bring in the crude from somewhere. And again, Mr. Ambani's dream was that he will set up the largest refinery in the world with can process one of the probably the dirtiest crude in the world. And the concept has worked. And as you have seen, SR and now obviously the Russians have taken over, that Jamnagar has become one of the petrochemical hubs. So clearly, it is not only about being Gujarati, it is again giving people an opportunity. And I honestly would like to work on the dream that Gujarat government has, Mrs. Anju Sharma has, that if we can convert some of our students into job givers instead of being job seekers, I think that is really the way we are contributing to the economy. That this entrepreneurship will create a huge energy. And I generally want to emphasize that Tech Mahindra would continue to collaborate with you, but more so, I want to congratulate you on being the pioneers. And for whatever good reasons, I think this initiative will leave almost a mark in overall the way the education system is converging with the industry, the education system participating with different other universities, and we all are able to bring, uh, you know, a talent which effectively becomes a bridge between the requirement of the market. uh, some of my, bright youngsters like Nikhil, working together with you to set up new benchmarks of innovation. I genuinely believe, Srinivas, Nikhil, Jagdish, I want to thank you for, representing Tech Mahindra. And I do want to again thank all the officials and the Section 8 company officers for starting or launching a movement. And this movement is probably going to be the most significant step taken by Gujarat government in recent times. So thank you again, Mrs. Sharma and Mr. Mahanta and Mr. Nagarajan for giving us an opportunity to collaborate with you. Thank you.